Hello viewers, welcome to Great Joy channel. In this video I am going to explain how to download and install the Turbo C++ compiler in Windows machine. In this video I am going to install in Windows 10 machine. It will support Windows 7 also, and it is not only the compiler, it is a IDE. You can do the program C++ program, you can do it in this Turbo C++ editor. Please watch the video, share it and subscribe the channel. Thank you. So already I have downloaded the Turbo C++ editor, which supports Windows 10 operating system. Just double click on setup to install it. Click on next, accept the license agreement, go on next, install. It will install in C drive, C Turbo. Not yet started, let's wait for the progress. Click on yes. That's all, installation completed. Just launching the program. I click on finish. So if you want, you can enable the full screen mode. If it is not supporting, you can disable this option. And new source file, click on new source file. It asking the file name, automatically save it in the C drive Turbo C and then projects. I'm giving the C++ file name. So it opens the multiple screens. I am pressing Alt F3 to close the windows, and by mistake I closed that a new file also. So I go to open the file name which I have created. Not under bin, it is direct C colon turbo C and then projects. I think it's not saved, so no problem, I create a new one. uh, just doing hello world program for testing. Press F2 to save the program. I open the project folder and then giving the file name as welcome.c++. Now I'm compiling the program. There is no error. I'm running the program. So to view the output, you need to press Alt F5. hello world. So it is working perfectly. The editor is working. So you can use this editor to work on any C or C++ programs. Thank you.